First step, unpacking. Okay, take the product out of the box. This little yellow box. The plastic has been cut. This packaging has been opened. Okay. Don't move, okay. Lock it and then lock it diagonally. Okay, lock the diagonal lock again. This thing needs to be removed. This thing is in this hook. Then put on the safety hook. Then tighten the nut. This is inside the hook. Then hang the safety hook. Tighten the nut. Pull the drill bit. Remove the screw. Take it off. It's easy to take it off. Put it on from the back to the front. It's better to put it on the front. Put your neck through the lamp. Lock this tight. Lock this bookcase tight. Lock this tight. Arrows aligned with arrows. The cranks and pedals need to be aligned. Loose screws to protect the rod. Tighten and turn the seat to see if it is stable.